Open up your bottom drawer. Open up your bottom drawer. Open up your bottom drawer. Look for these little latches. These are the catches I'm talking about. The left side's gonna go down because it's sitting up. The right side is gonna go up because it's sitting down. Pull it up, go to the other side, find the other one. There it is. Push one up, push one down. Well, push one up, push one down. There we go. Take your drawer full of crap, shove it back down there, and forget about it forever. Line them up, and just shove it back in. There we go. Ta-da. Never open it again. Never.